Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to this transformational journey where I'll guide you through the process of manifesting a car within 30 days. We are going to dive deep into the powerful laws of manifestation and creation. But before we begin, let's take a moment to express our deepest gratitude for all that we already have. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in the manifestation process, and by starting with it, we set ourselves up for success. Breathe in deeply and let's align ourselves with the frequency of abundance. Set the intention. In the introduction, set the intention for the viewer to manifest a car within 30 days. Discuss how setting clear and focused intentions creates energy shifts. Today, our goal is to teach you how to manifest the car of your dreams within the next 30 days. This is not about wishful thinking. It's about consciously creating your reality by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the energy of what you desire. Step 1. Clarity of desire. Define what you want. Start by guiding the viewer to clarify their desire for a car. In this phase, encourage them to be specific about the type of car, model, color, and features they want to manifest. This clarity helps anchor their vision in their mind. The first and most important step in manifestation is clarity. You cannot manifest something unless you know exactly what you want. Take out a journal and write down every detail of the car you wish to manifest. Be as specific as possible. What brand is it? What model? What year? What color? What does the interior look like? Does it have leather seats? Does it have advanced technology features like a navigation system? Don't just think about what the car looks like, feel what it's like to drive it. The emotional component. Explain that manifestation is not just about the physical aspects of the car but also about the emotions tied to it. Encourage viewers to imagine the feeling they will have when they sit in the driver's seat. Once you have the physical details written down, go a step further. How does this car make you feel? When you sit behind the wheel, do you feel confident, excited, free, empowered? The emotional connection is crucial because the universe responds to the energy of your feelings. The more you can feel as if you already have the car, the faster it will manifest in your reality. Step 2. Remove limiting beliefs. Identify limiting beliefs. Discuss the importance of recognizing and addressing limiting beliefs. Louise Hay often focused on uncovering negative thought patterns, and this section should emphasize that your thoughts can either support or block your manifestation. Manifestation works effortlessly when your conscious and subconscious minds are aligned. But often, limiting beliefs create blockages that prevent us from receiving what we desire. These are the thoughts that tell you, "I can't afford that car," or "I'll never have enough money for a car like that." These are false beliefs, created by past experiences or conditioning, and they are not the truth of who you are. Use affirmations to overcome limiting beliefs. Introduce the power of positive affirmations to replace these limiting beliefs. This ties into Louise Hay's core teaching that affirmations can reprogram the mind for success. Affirmations are an incredibly powerful tool for shifting your mindset. Begin using affirmations to dismantle your limiting beliefs. Repeat after me, "I am worthy of owning a new car. I am financially abundant. Money flows to me easily, and I can afford the car of my dreams. The universe is constantly bringing me everything I need to manifest my desires." Say these affirmations daily, with feeling and conviction. The more you believe them, the faster your subconscious mind will align with your desire. Step 3. Visualization and feeling. Guided visualization exercise. Lead the viewer through a guided visualization where they imagine themselves driving their desired car. Encourage them to involve all senses, what they see, hear, smell, and feel. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now, imagine yourself holding the keys to your new car. Feel the weight of the keys in your hand. You walk towards your car, your heart filled with joy and excitement. You open the door and sit down. Notice the feeling of the seat beneath you, the smell of the new leather, the sound of the engine as you turn it on. You are driving through your favorite streets, feeling the wind in your hair and the smoothness of the ride. You are completely aligned with the feeling of owning this car. The power of feeling in manifestation. Explain that the key to successful visualization is feeling the emotions as if the manifestation has already occurred. This is a core element of law of attraction teachings. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to words, it responds to feelings. The stronger the emotion you attach to your desire, the faster you will manifest it. Feel the excitement of driving your new car as if it's happening right now. Act as though it's already a part of your life. Step 4. Act as if. Embody the person who owns the car. Discuss the importance of acting as if you already own the car. This includes small daily actions, such as visiting car dealerships, taking test drives, or creating a vision board with images of the car. Now that you've set your intention and visualized your car, it's time to act as though you already have it. How would you behave if you already owned this car? Would you visit car dealerships to test drive it? Would you clean out your garage to make space for it? These small actions create powerful energy that tells the universe you are ready to receive. Be open to synchronicities. Encourage the viewer to be open to signs and synchronicities from the universe. Explain that opportunities might come in unexpected ways, and they should remain alert and receptive. As you move through your day, stay open to the magic of the universe. You may meet someone who can help you finance the car, or you may find an incredible deal that makes the car more affordable. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you what you desire. Step 5. Let go and trust. Release attachment to the outcome. One of the key principles in manifestation is letting go of attachment. Explain that while it's important to be clear about what you want, clinging to the outcome can create resistance. Now that you've done the work, it's time to let go. Trust that the universe has heard your request and is working on it. When we hold on too tightly, we create resistance. It's like planting a seed and constantly digging it up to see if it's growing. You must let go and allow the manifestation to unfold in divine timing. Practice daily gratitude. Emphasize the importance of gratitude in maintaining a high vibration. Encourage viewers to be grateful for the car as if they already have it. Each day, practice gratitude for your car. Even before it arrives in your physical reality, thank the universe for bringing it to you. Say, "I am so grateful for my beautiful new car. I love driving it. It brings me so much joy and freedom." Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more of what you desire. Finally, recap the steps. Briefly summarize the steps involved in manifesting a car: clarity, removing limiting beliefs, visualization, acting as if, and letting go. Reinforce the importance of belief and trust in the process. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. First, get clear about what you want. Then, remove any limiting beliefs that are standing in your way. Visualize your desire with strong emotions, act as if you already have it, and finally, let go and trust that the universe will deliver. These are the steps to manifesting your dream car in 30 days. Final affirmation and closing. End with a powerful affirmation and encourage viewers to continue practicing these steps every day. Let's close with one final affirmation: I am a powerful creator. I am worthy of my desires. The universe is always working in my favor, and my new car is on its way to me now. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, you have the power to manifest anything you desire. Keep believing, keep visualizing, and trust the process.